In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur in Canva. If you've ever had a photo with a distracting background, needed to hide private details, or just wanted that soft, professional, depth of field look, Canva makes it much easier than most people expect. You don't need advanced editing software or a complicated design workflow. Everything happens right inside Canva's editor, and once you know where the tools are, the process is pretty quick. To get started, make sure you open an actual design project inside Canva. This is important because the blur and photo editing tools only appear when you're working inside the editor, not from the general home screen alone. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design in the top right area, then choose the format you want, like a presentation, social post, or any other layout that fits your project. If you already have a design saved, you can simply open that instead. Once your design is open, the next step is to place the image you want to edit onto the canvas. Head over to the left sidebar and click Uploads. From there, bring your photo into the design and drag it onto your page. Then click the image once so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the border and resize handles around it. With the image highlighted, go to the toolbar at the top of the editor and click Edit Photo. This opens Canva's photo editing panel on the left side where all the image effects and adjustment tools are stored. This is where you'll find the blur options. If your goal is to blur the full image or create an automatic background blur effect, scroll through the effects section and choose blur or autofocus. Blur softens the entire image evenly, which is great when you want text placed on top to stand out more clearly. Autofocus is useful when you want Canva to keep the main subject sharper while softening the background. After selecting the effect, adjust the blur intensity slider until the image looks the way you want. A lighter blur can look polished and subtle, while a stronger blur is better for readability or visual separation. If you only want to blur a specific part of the image, use the brush option inside the blur effect. This lets you paint blur onto selected areas only. Adjust the brush size so it matches the area you want to cover, then click and drag over the section you want to hide or soften. This is especially useful for obscuring details while leaving the rest of the photo untouched. After that, increase or decrease the localized blur intensity until it looks right. Then click the lock icon at the top right of the toolbar if you want to keep that element fixed in place. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next